Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. I absolutely have no idea what I'm doing on this video. Stick around and find out with me. Alright guys, as you know, things have been crazy. Building the Born Free bike, coming up with dirt bikes, coming up with GP bikes, all kinds of crazy stuff. Hey, trying to catch up and hang out with friends. Life has just been nuts and busy. So what I wanted to do before we kick things off today, my good friends over at Odin said, hey, we've seen the Born Free build that you're doing. We love what you do at Weems Motor Co. We want to send you some stuff for the shop. So they sent me a package. Let's open up that box really quick and see what Odin has sent me. I don't have any room in this place to place a box to open it up. I think the best place is going to be right there where the seat goes on the Born Free build. Yeah, I think that'll work. Now where am I going to put the camera? Well, sniffing at the door, I figured I would let our best friend AJ in. What's up, buddy? Let him be part of this video. I have, like I said, no clue what Odin has sent me, so let's pop this box open and see what they got. Dude, I'm so stoked to see what's inside the box. Ooh, oh, they fancied up the packing material for us. Let's see what we got going on here. Sweet, nice little sticker pack. Here we go. Thank you from all of us at Odin Manufacturer. We appreciate the support. It allows us an opportunity to show up every day, love what we do, and build the best gear we can for the best customers in the industry. Dude, super awesome. Thanks, Odin, again. Now, we have a big mess. Let's see. Oh, I got a box. Sweet! Awesome Odin hat. You know what? I'm just gonna rock it right now. There we go. Some keychains. Woo! What do we got here? Dude! Some killer sweatpants. Sweet! Oh! So nice, matching hoodie. Oh, I'm gonna be rocking tonight. Oh my gosh, how much stuff did they send? Some socks. Oh, sweet pen. Gonna love that. Nice waterproof bar bag. I'll have to throw that on the Harvey Danielson. 3 sets of gloves. So killer. Black and white. You know what? I have a set of these already. We're gonna do a giveaway with those for you guys. So stick around, find out how we're gonna do this giveaway. Oh, my buddy Flip has one of these and I've been wanting one. Nice little camping coffee mug. So nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Odin, thank you guys. So much cool stuff. The red mug. Man, me and my wife are gonna have some coffee in the morning with these things. So nice. Yes, this is what I wanted. Look at that. Sweet. I have the perfect place for that. We're gonna hang that up on the garage door, right behind the dirt bike. I'm gonna give us some motivation to get that project going and get this Born Free build wrapped up. All right, now let's see what we can do around the shop. Alright, so I know what I'm going to do now. Finally figured it out. I need to stop dragging my feet on this Born Free build. I need to get things knocked out. And something I've kind of been lax on is the small bits and pieces that I know I can knock out relatively quickly. If you guys hadn't had the chance to jump over to my Instagram page, you're going to see like daily updates on the Born Free build, like what I'm working on behind the scenes, behind the camera, things that don't get on YouTube. And one of those things was just the other day I was over at Eric Allard's, yeah, you know him, F&A Custom Cycles, and I was using his bandsaw and I was cutting out some aluminum for the motor mounts. So got some motor mounts, got the rear motor mounts, got a front motor mount. I need to get that stuff knocked out so we can continue pushing forward in the project on the Born Free build. So that's what we're going to do. Let's knock these things out really quick. Shouldn't take too long. I got to use the sander, got to use the grinder, got to use the mill, drill press, a few little instruments and things around the shop. So that's what we're going to do. Let's knock it out. Alright, knocked that out pretty easy. Front motor mounts, I mean, 3 holes, shaping the outside, not that difficult. I did want to give you guys a little bit of a heads up though. Over the last few days we had the opportunity to pick up our aluminum big bore cylinder, and I immediately took it over to my buddy Anthony over at Tin Works. Anthony makes motorcycle parts for the industry, does some pretty amazing work, and I said, hey, I have a task for you, buddy. I want you to shave all of the fins off of that motor. I want this thing to look like it's going 1,000 miles an hour just sitting still. He did an amazing job, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick little sneak peek at the engine that's going in the Born Free build. Check it out. If that doesn't make you feel all warm and fuzzy, I don't know what I could do to make you feel better. I think it's pretty awesome. Obviously, a lot more work has to be done. The job is never going to be finished until it's sitting on the field at Born Free, but I think right now we're knocking it out of the park. Got to do some exhaust ports and things like that on it. Maybe we'll do that on the next video coming up, but we got to get back to work. We got to knock out these rear motor mounts. Let's see how these go. I'm sure it's going to be easy. Man, that was a fun, easy project. Not really much to that. Drilling some holes, doing some sanding, making things fit. I think it came out all right. Obviously, they're not finished. Got to go through, get them all cleaned up, get them ready to go out for burnishing. So, got the Odin flag. killer stuff. Thanks again to my friends over at Odin. And we're going to hang this flag up. After we get done hanging this flag up, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how you can win these Odin gloves. Nailed it! Alright. So Odin hooked us up, sent an extra pair of gloves. These are extra large. These are their Street MX gloves. Super awesome. They have the pull back finger so you can work your cell phone, pull back thumb, all that so you can work your thumbs and your cell phone and all of that mess as you're going. So what we're gonna do, in order for you to get the opportunity to win this pair of gloves that are freaking amazing, all you have to do is simply jump down in the comments and tell me what you like about Weems Motor Co. And then you have to put hashtag Odin. That's ODIN. So when you put hashtag Odin and tell me what you like about Weems Motor Co., that will get you automatically registered to win these super awesome Street MX Odin manufacturing gloves. That easy. Well, that's gonna wrap up the video today. If you're new around here, man, make sure you jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Turn those notifications on and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.